Hey guys, welcome to week 3. Just wanted to touch base with you and draw your attention to our assignment for this week. So the assignment isn't long, but I want to remind you of the importance of explaining your ideas and making sure they are informed. And you can do that by drawing on the text and other resources. So make sure that you don't just tell me the what, but tell me the so what and then what. And if you think about this assignment from that point of view, it'll be heading in the right direction. Just a comment on the Unit 2 assignment, a lot of good work, a lot of really good thinking. If you have questions about the feedback that I provided, let me know. Also, please make sure to review your discussion grades, and if you have a question, let me know. I did click through and it looked like everything graded okay, but every once in a while, when I grade, the drop down will change when I scroll and then it's not the correct grade. So particularly if you see a discussion grade at the end of Monday for the previous week and it's something like a 40, then that's definitely a time that you want to touch base with me. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week, guys.